Hello students, I think so everyone has enjoyed your puja well. Everyone has enjoyed a lot. You have visited different sorts of pandals, is not it? So now let's come back to our studies. So today I will start a new chapter, that is your chapter number 6. And the name of the chapter is your communication on the internet. So here in this chapter, you will get this chapter in your page number 93. So in this chapter you will get about internet. Okay, you will get about internet, how we can communicate with our far, near and dear ones with the help of an internet. Okay, how we can communicate with our far, near and dear ones with the help of your internet. So you can say that internet has made our life very easy and very smooth running. Okay, because it has made our many work so easy that the peoples who are staying in USA, okay, example, I am giving you one example. The peoples who are staying in USA means, for example, if your friend is staying in USA, you can communicate very easily with him or her with the help of your internet. So in this way you can say internet has made our life very easy and comfortsome and comfortable. Clear? So students, now you come to the first paragraph of this chapter, that is in your page number 93. The internet offers users several different ways of connecting with people. You already know about email and web browsing. The internet also provides other means of communication and many more services. In this chapter, you will learn about some of them. Whatever I have said you a few minutes ago, it is given here. So now let's come to the second one, that is your chat, instant messaging and news group. So here I think so everyone knows chat. Chat means what? Here you can say chat means short messages. Okay, chat means your short messages. So here you see, chat programs and instant messaging let you communicate with other users instantaneously through text messages. As I have said you just now, chat program and instant messaging. Short form of instant messaging is your IM. This chat program and IM helps the user to text messages. Okay, it helps the user to text messages, so that whatever message is there you can send to your friends. Clear? So you can say in internet we are getting this availability of chat program and IM, with the help of which you can communicate to your friends, relatives, far and near dear ones. Then students, you come to news group. News group also allows you to interact with many other users, but the communication is not instant. Now here in news group, this is also another way how we can communicate through the internet. But one difference is here. In chat program and IM, okay, we can send the messages very quickly. Okay, we can send the messages very quickly, but whereas in news group, we cannot communicate with the other peoples very quickly. Okay, here in news group you cannot communicate with the peoples very quickly. Clear this much, students? Then students, you come to your page number 94. Page number 94. Here you will get a brief description of your chat room. A chat room is a service in which multiple users talk to each other in real time by posting messages, usually on a topic of common interest. Now you can say that chat room is a service where here multiple users can talk to each other. Multiple users means two. Okay, here you can say multiple users means two. can post messages on any topic they like. Many websites offer chat room facilities. Some popular ones are icq.com, dolphyforum.com, paltalk.com, tenchat.com, etc. So here you will get the names of some popular chat rooms. So what are they? icq.com, delphiforum.com, paltalk.com and teamchat.com. So these are the names of your popular chat room. Clear? Now students, you come to your IM, that is your instant messaging. IM is a communication service over the internet that allows instant transmission of text-based messages from sender to receiver. Like online chat, instant messaging also offers text-based two-way message exchange in real time. It is different from online chat in that IM is communication between known users, whereas online chat could also happen between unknown users. Now here IM and chat room is similar, okay. It is your text based messages, okay, where you can text, where you can communicate with your far, near, dear ones with the help of your text, means chatting, texting. But one difference is there. In chat room you can text with both your known as well unknown users. In chat room you can text with your known friends as well as with your unknown friends. But in IM you can chat, you can text only with your known friends and others, okay. You can chat in IM, you can chat only with your known users, okay. You cannot chat with your unknown users. Instant messaging is like a private chat room. It includes only those people whom the user has invited. Yes, as I have said to you, here IM, in IM it is referred to as private chat room. Why IM is referred to as your private chat room? Because here you can't communicate with your unknown users. You can communicate only with your known users. That's why IM is considered as your private chat room. Clear this much? It creates a list of all your friends, and when a new message arrives from any one of them, an alert pops up on your IM screen. Now here, whenever you will get any sort of messages where it will be displayed in your IM pop-up window. It is known as IM pop-up window. Popular IM services include AOL Instant Messenger, AIM, Skype IM, Windows Live Messenger, Yahoo Messenger and Google Talk. Now here you have got different popular IM services. The names of the popular IM services are what? AOL Instant Messenger, that is known as AIM. Then again Skype IM. I think so everyone knows these services, yes or no? Because you can say that due to Corona, now everything is going on, whatever procedures are going on, it is basically through online. So now everyone is fond of all these services. Yes or no? Nowadays it has become that all these services are known to each and every one of us. So these are the names of your popular IM services. Windows Live Messenger, Yahoo Messenger and Google Talk. IM services may require you to download a program or require only a browser. Now here, without the installation of your IM program, you can't start it. First you have to install this program. Okay, then only you can start these services. Clear? And all the services like chat room, IM, all this requires your internet connection. Without internet connection, you can't have the facility of these services. You can't have the availability of these services. Clear? I think so it's clear to everyone. Chat room and IM. IM is your instant messaging. I think so regarding these two topics no one has any sort of doubts. So students, in my next class I will explain you about how we can use Yahoo Messenger, and I will explain you about news group. Clear? So students, how much I have explained you today, you go through your books. So students, now I am winding my class here. Thank you to all and have a nice day ahead.